People ask me how much power does my solar panel actually produce when there's no sun out. Today's a great example. We have 30 panels up on the roof, and they're producing 51 amps of DC power at 48 volts. So that's all those coming in, hitting the bus bar, and out of the bus bar. So I'm reading all of those right out of the bus bar. So it's pulling. So the system is pulling. It's bringing in about 50 amps, but it's using 123 amps right now to run the house, and the system's at 38% of its capacity. That's an 18,000 watt inverter. I'll show you outside. All clouds. There is no blue sky whatsoever, and the sun is almost behind that tree. Our panels are on the back side of this roof right here, so that angle right there is what the panels would be gathering, and they're at a 512 pitch. They're not at 45 degrees. They're shy of that. Anyway, like I said, no blue sky.